YouTube? It's your boy Just One Shift, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be installing a ECS tuning strut tower brace. Pretty much just holds both, it connects to both the strut towers and it reduces flex in the chassis, upgrades the handling, the cornering. I got the one that was 167, but I got it on sale for 150 because the other one that goes over the car isn't compatible with mine because I don't have the M8 stud that doesn't come in some of the B8.5 B8 chassis. So yeah, I'm on the way to Sayville right now to go link up with my boy Quan. I'm gonna help him do a mod for his girl's car, and then hopefully if it doesn't get too dark, he'll help me with this. But it's only a 15-minute install, and yeah, I got this GoPro. Well, it's an Extra Muse action camera actually. I just bought this strap not too long ago. I'm gonna test it out and give you guys some POVs. So yeah, stay tuned. My first time using a head mount, well, whatever it's called. Hope you guys can see everything. This is gonna be the strut tower brace that we're gonna be installing today. I hope you guys can see it. Let me know how y'all feel about this POV. If y'all like it, this is what I'm gonna be using from here on out. I got a mic connected to the camera and I have a mic connected to my hoodie, but I can easily put the mic by the intake and the exhaust. So I'm gonna be messing around for a little bit. I hope y'all enjoy this video though. Stay trooper. There we go. I can't see nothing. Oh, so it flashes at 5,000 RPMs. I'm sorry. I just noticed it. I might bring it down a little bit. It's a red light. My brakes are shot. Oh, never mind. It's a green light. Thank God. But yeah, we're about to be at Quan's crib. So next clip should be the install. With Quan with us, we're about to be installing this ECS tuning strut tower brace. First, you gotta just take this off, which is pretty easy. Then we gotta disconnect 1, 2, 3, and then I believe we gotta take this cowl out. Yeah, for easier access, we gotta take this out. And then I believe we gotta disconnect the harness for the battery, or I think so. Hold on, let me just double check. Oh, wrong way. Just gonna loosen these up. Oh, that's already loose. There's 3 10 mil bolts in the front. There's gonna be a 14 mil right here in the back. And here, I think, is this it? This might be it. So, got the other side out. This as well. This is a 10 mil. You got it? Oh, you can just take it off?
It's in there, be careful.
Put this in my pocket. Now we can take, hold on. This is gonna be the driver's side, and this is gonna be the passenger side. Just gotta flip it. It has to say ECS going this way, and then you just put the bracket in right here. So. Just like that. Just gonna make sure everything is a little bit tightened up. That's it. Bump. This is the battery, whatever terminal, and then you're gonna just line everything up. You gotta also clip these. Oh my God! You gotta also clip these two bottom pieces into this little socket right here. And I guess when we screw the bolt in, it's gonna be more secure. You have the bolt. New bolts. So this is what we're gonna use. You got two over here, and then two on this side. And you're gonna use a 13 to tighten it in. Let me put those over there. All right. Doing this wrong. I'm pretty sure we're supposed to use one of the M6 bolts for this. So we're gonna try using the M6 bolt because the bolt that we took out isn't lining up properly. Now it's snug. I'll pull it all the way over to the side. I see it going down. Okay. Mechanic Kwani. Let's see if it's sturdy. Oh, that's locked in. That's locked in. So pretty much we put the new hardware over here. This is the old bolt. So we're just gonna torque that down. And then we put the new hardware over here as well. I don't know if you guys can see it's two over here, two over there. Then that M6 bolt that you use the Allen key for. That's one shift. I'm back with an update video. It's been a week since I installed it. Throughout the video, you're gonna see that it gets dark, so I had to cut it short. But pretty much all I'm gonna do is torque it down. This is a 30 millimeter torque spec. You got two bolts over here, two bolts over there, and you're gonna need a 13 mil. So. Hold on, is this shit even going to work? Yeah. Okay, that's torqued down. That's torqued down. And over here, that's torqued. All right, that's all torqued down. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the DIY. Try to make it as informative as possible. There's probably only one YouTube video on how to on how to install this ECS tuning strut top brace, and it's not really thorough at all. No offense to him, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna give you guys some POV drives, and yeah, have a great day. Quick thing that I wanted to add: these two bolts, these two holes, you don't need to put anything in these, because this strut top brace doesn't have a place for them, so you don't have to worry about them. So that's perfectly normal. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know real quick, okay? Just gonna go ahead and put this back. My cameraman just left and I forgot to let him know that I need to put this back, but you got it. This is too far over. Hold on. Just gonna pull it. Okay, it's gonna look like that. Put this thing back on. I think we were supposed to put this in first. Yikes. It's still doable. Hold on. I gotta get the screw or the cap for this. But that's it for the install actually. And then we're missing this piece. This piece goes over the, just like that.
Now, good luck, everybody else.
I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the POV drives. In my opinion, the strut top brace did make a light difference, especially with cornering and turning. The handling feels a little bit better. Disregard those parts right there, but stay tuned for the next video. We have another handling modification coming in, and as always, stay blessed and have a beautiful day.